Babe, we could leave the lights on, suntan. We could get lunch. Oh man, I think that I like you. Yeah, but something bugs me about the way you lick your envelope. So I'm out on the block again, so popped up that I can't pretend. Hey friends, problem that you can't defend. Hands up, feel okay. It's hard to break a day.